As you can see by the background, today we are going to attempt to sew outside. What? Yes, babies, we are going to sew outside. So I already have my sewing machine over here, and I have literally connected 3 extension cords just to be able to reach the plugs inside the house, just to do this, because for the fun of it. And that's the benefit of having a small portable machine. You can take it everywhere. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is replace the bobbin. Let me give you a close-up on how to do that.
It's all your fault. No, I don't want to stay, no. You're breaking down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just want to hold you. I need no.
Okay, now that we've replaced the bobbin, now it's time to replace the thread. Okay, let's go.
I got nothing to hide, my eyes keep flooding. Baby, longing you make me feel sloppy. I got my eyes on you, pull like a curtain. I'll be patient with you, no more fighting. I feel you in my mind. I wanna dance tonight. It's in the air tonight. Yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to stay, no. You're breaking down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just want to hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you.
Okay, so now that we have replaced the thread, come look at the thread, look at the thread. Now that we have replaced the thread and the bobbin, it's time to connect the foot presser and the plug. We were ghosting on a ghost when you opened my eyes. Made me notice where the ocean was holding the sky. Right. And then foot presser. Done. It's time to work.
Big girl, you want, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carpet here like Mayweather. Tula come through and bubble hole. Got millions out that rap shit. They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features.
Now I'm gonna try and fix the pocket of this dress. I was given a task to fix the pocket of this dress. I didn't sew this dress, I'm just fixing the pocket. As you can see, it's malfunctioned, so I did a line on where I'm gonna fix it. Let's go.
Stomp a little push the hoe gets with shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail hoe. Two-tone Cartier match the nails hoe. No competition, these bitches fail hoe. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell hoe. Keep running circles around these snail hoe. And my shit bumping up in the jail hoe. Get up where you been at, mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Got in with the gangsters and players. My folks don't keep it solid. Got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just home.